Sharpening the knives. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah.
Eggs. It is so cold outside. It is like 37 degrees, Caroline said. That's so cold. That is so cold. We're not used to that. Is it cold? It's cold, huh? But we have nice warm eggs. Or as Hunter would say, hot. Ooh, I got, what is this? Is it a rice cake? It's huge. Sharpening the knives. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, this counting as okay, good. Next.
Yeah, this is a knife sharpener. Harabuji sharpening the knives.
Wow.
Ah.
I messed with all the band-aids. What do you want here? What? What do you want? You don't need that right now. That's burn relief gel. It's for when you have a sunburn, but you don't have a sunburn. You don't have a sunburn. You've never had a sunburn, actually. Because you always put lots of sunscreen on you when you go outside. Stamps. Bunny foo foo, I don't wanna see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And if you don't behave, I'll turn you into a goon. Hopping through the forest, scooping up the measly mice and bopping them on the head. Is it turning on? Is it broken? Here's what you do. You gotta turn like this.
I've been working in my
Yeah.
all the livelong day.
There you go.
Bulldozer, scooping the balls away.
Yay.
Coffee time. Let's head to the site.
Yeah. The truck.
Can you press the red button?
Putting a red. Where's your cars? Where's your cars? What did you find? What is that? It's called a ladder. Can you say ladder? Ladder. Can you say ladder? Can you say ladder? Is it the ladder of the school bus? It's a fire truck.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so tired. Good night, baby. I love you. Good night. Good night.
Just watch. Enjoy it. Circular motion. This circle, like this. Circle.
And you can check it with your, yeah.
Bark, 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 bark. Can you bark like a chicken? Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark, bark. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Honey foo foo, I don't wanna see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Ladder, can you say ladder? Ladder. Can you say ladder? Ladder. Can you say ladder?